Today we're gonna do today I want to show you my mistakes of why font and pen size matters when writing your own label with the writable vinyl labels from Cricut. First, I'm going to make a label by utilizing the rectangle. I am resizing it using the keypad in the edit option instead of dragging because it's easier for me on the phone. I am hitting edit and make sure that I'm choosing a color that I can see. Here I'm using white. You don't have to change it, but it makes it easier for me to see how it could look when it's cut it out. So I wanted to make these stickers or labels for labeling food that I plan to freeze. So I'm putting down prep date. Here, as you can see, I have to zoom in and out on my phone app. And because my phone screen is smaller, it was hard to maneuver. So that is why there is a benefit of editing with using the keypad. The font matters because I thought this font is cute, so I selected this font. I had to go and make sure I change it to draw so it will not be cutting out the words. Instead, it will write out the words. Here, I then selected both of them and I hit the attach button so that it knows to draw inside. I select the proper mat I'm putting into my Cricut Joy. Actually, I don't have to select a mat because this is a writable vinyl sheet, so you do not have to use a mat. I pushed the label more to the right so there's adequate spacing. And once I'm done that, I will hit next. Here, you select all material. I just like looking for it that way. And I put in Smart Label and choose the vinyl, the writable vinyl. And I insert the sheet that has already, is out of the sheet that is out of the package. It's Smart Vinyl, so you do not need a mat. And I chose less pressure. So here it's going to cut, and I speed up the video a little bit so you don't have to watch it cut slowly. And then here is the vinyl sheet that's complete. I weeded the area that I don't need, and then I cut it out with the scissors so that I don't have to put this on a mat the next time I need to use it. And as you can see, the words, because I chose the permanent marker, kind of look meshed. I should have used a fine point tip pen, so don't make the same mistake I did.